Hello and welcome to learn React.js front-end web development for absolute beginners. In this course, you will learn the core fundamentals of React.js and modern JavaScript so that you can start building lightning-fast web apps using React. You will also learn modern JavaScript and React.js from absolute scratch. You will learn to make AJAX requests to get data from remote APIs and display into your web application. So if you are ready to learn React.js, which is one of the most exciting technology of recent time, please enroll into this course. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Samer Buna. I work at JS Complete, where we create interactive educational content to help people learn coding. Welcome to this React.js Getting Started course from Pluralsight, covering the latest stateful function components with the all-new React hooks. React is a simple and powerful library that is used in many big web and mobile applications today. I personally use React in most of the projects I'm involved in. It helps me be fast and productive. In this course, I cover the new simple way using function components with hooks and the other more verbose way using class components. This is a fully hands-on course where I'll be building small practical applications with React. There will be no foo or bar in this course, and I try to avoid contrived examples as much as possible. Learning to code is a practical experience. Try to do and redo the examples I'll present in this course and try to expand their scope and challenge yourself with every piece of knowledge that you learn. Some of the topics that we will cover in this course include React's design concepts, function and class components and their benefits, JSX and event handlers, working with data and APIs, React hooks for state and side effects, taking input from the user, communicating between components, React's one-way flow of data, and creating your own local development environment for React. By the end of this course, you should be comfortable working with function and class components in React, manage an application state, and be able to build simple React applications from scratch. This course is a beginner-level course on the React.js library. No previous knowledge about React itself is needed, but you do need to be comfortable with the JavaScript language to get the most out of this course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the basics of the excellent React.js library in this Getting Started course at Pluralsight.
Hi, my name is Ed, and I will be your instructor for this React Fundamentals course. In this series, we will be creating a simple React-powered single-page application which will allow us to search and investigate through popular TV series. We will cover such topics as JSX, components and containers, state, props, conditional rendering, React router, and much more. What you'll need is some knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. The course will contain some ES6 and ES7 syntax, but don't worry, I'll explain everything along the way. I will not be assuming that you know anything about React, so each and every line of code will be explained with great detail. In this course, you will not only learn how to write React code, but you'll also find out how to maintain and organize your code base to keep your code as clean and readable as possible. So pick up your IDE and try to code this app from scratch along with me in this React Fundamentals course.
Hi everyone, my name is Corey House, and welcome to my course Building Applications with React and Flux. I'm the Principal Consultant at React.jsconsulting.com. I've enjoyed working heavily with React since it was open sourced in 2013. React is one of the world's most popular technologies for building web apps today, and for good reason. It's fast, it offers an elegant programming model, and it boasts a huge ecosystem of existing libraries and components. In this course, we're going to build a realistic data management app to explore the core features of React, Flux, and React Router. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include generating new React apps with Create React App, handling state and props, performing client-side routing with React Router, creating reusable React components, and implementing one-way data flows with Flux. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build a realistic and scalable React app that supports creating, updating, and deleting data. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with JavaScript, HTML, and some basic CSS. I'm assuming that you're new to React. And don't worry if you aren't up to speed on all the latest JavaScript features. I'll introduce modern JavaScript features along the way. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn React, React Router, and Flux with the Building Applications with React and Flux course at Pluralsight.
Welcome to the complete course on React for beginners. So, you don't have any experience on React and you want to be an advanced React developer? If so, you are in the right place. In this course, we are going to learn React.js from absolute scratch. I've designed this course in such a way that even if you have no prior experience to React, after completing this whole course, I am confident that you can build any real-world project using React.js. Now let's see what we are going to learn in this whole course. So first, we'll start with how you can create a React app from scratch, and we will be analyzing the folder structure, and then we will be discussing one fundamental concept in React, and that is JSX. And then we'll discuss what are components in React, and then we will be writing class-based component and functional components from scratch. After that, we will be discussing what is props and how you can pass data from one component to another component using props. We will be also discussing how you can pass function as props and also how we can pass data from child component back to parent component using props. So in the next section, we will be studying another very important fundamental concept in React, and that is state, and also how we can manage state using setState. And after that, we will be starting lifecycle methods, and we will be discussing component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount lifecycle method in details. Then we will be starting how you can handle events in React and also how you can work with forms in React.js. In the next section, we will be starting how you can fetch data from API, and also once we'll get the data, how to render the data in form of list, and also we will be discussing some of the very important concept in keys. And next we will be moving to hooks. Now we will be discussing the following hooks: use state, use effect, context, and use context, and how we can manage global state using use context. We will be discussing use reducer, and at the end we will be discussing use ref and how to manipulate DOM elements using use ref. So these all are the topics that we are going to learn in this full course. And at the end we will be building one project, and that will be a React movie application from scratch. In this application you will learn how to get data from API, and we will be implementing the following application using React hooks. So in this project basically we will be searching any movie genre and we'll be getting the data from API, and also once we'll get the data we will be saving the data in the local storage, so that next time when we'll be refreshing the page we will be getting the data from local storage. And you can see that once we'll update the genre it will be automatically updated in the local storage. So that's it, what we are going to build. And that's it everyone. So this is what we are going to learn in this whole course. I'm confident that after completing this course, you will learn a lot of things in React and you can build any real world project using React.js. I wish you all the very best, and I again welcome everyone to this course. Let's learn some React. Good luck.
Hi, welcome to the React.js for Newbies course. This short course will cover the basic and core concepts that you need to know to get up and running with React.js. React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It's flexible, fast, easy to learn, and fun to work with. Anyone can join this course because it requires no knowledge about HTML, CSS, or JavaScript before. Just take it fun and join me. Now, you can walk away with a test of how to build your very first React components, how to handle event in components, understand the key concept of React.js like state and props, and how to transfer data between parent, choice component, etc. My name is Leo Chiu. I'm a founder of codeforstart.com, a website to learn how to code by creating real-life startups like Airbnb, TaskRabbit, Tinder, Etsy, Fiverr with Ruby on Rails, Python, Angular, Ionic, and you name it. We are a community of 25,000 students around the world. And having said that, you're in good hands. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the course, and let's get started.